fingerprint sensor?
Sensor.
Exactly right, a fingerprint sensor. Now, what's the process? What is the computer doing?
It's sensing your fingerprint and processing your fingerprint.
Perfect. And matching it up with the database of all the students that it's got their fingerprint of. Good. And then what would the output be?
Showing how much money it has
Good.
in the account.
Good. So display.
Yeah, display.
Excellent. Okay. Now, how about this one?
Yeah. So see, you're cooking, and then the smoke goes up.
Good.
And then the process is it detects the smoke.
Good.
And then the alarm goes off.
Good. Exactly right. Have you got one of these in your house?
Yes.
Yeah. So that keeps it safe, doesn't it?
Yeah. Sometimes goes off.
When you cook the sausages.
Yeah. Food.
Yeah. When we cook sausages, we have to close the kitchen door because otherwise it detects the smoke and then the alarms go off. Okay, let's look at these ones now. This is a bit harder. So, can you see any of the input and output devices? So this is like, have you used one of these in a local? Okay. Yeah. So what input devices can you see here? Let's start with the input device. What input devices can you see?
So over there, it's circled. It's next to the monitor. It's like a open line.
Yep.
You put that one, the one with the green screen on it. You see? And
yes, good. What's that to do?
To censor your credit card.
Yes.
And
so
also,
good. So it's got a credit card reader. Good. That's exactly right. That's an input device.
And also on the bottom, you can.
Hang on. Before you go there, on that same device, you can either put your card in, or what could you do?
You press the button.
Good. Exactly right. So that button is also an input device. So if the card is damaged and it won't read it, or something like that, or even if you have to put in your PIN code, your personal identification code, you have those buttons there. Exactly right. Just okay. What other input devices can you see? So let's look at the scales there. What would happen if you wanted to weigh something? What does it do?
Oh, it measures how much weight it has.
Exactly right. Good. So the scales read, and yeah, it can weigh it, and also not a QR code, but another type of code. What else does each item, each product have on it? A
barcode.
Excellent. So that is also an input device. So the barcode actually it scans the barcode. That barcode is a really long number. That barcode doesn't have the price. Do you know why?
Why?
Because the price could change every day.
Yes. Oh.
Imagine if you got the barcode on the box of cornflakes and the price changed the next day. Would that mean that they'd have to recall all the boxes of cornflakes and put them in new boxes?
I know. So that barcode has like a code.
Yes.
And what they can do is on the computer, they can just change like the price, and the code will have, and then when they scan it, it will just come as the new price.
Right. So the price is not on the barcode. So you're quite right that it does store it, but it stores the price in a database, in a completely separate piece of software. The barcode itself is actually just the product. So the first number is the country it came from. And then the numbers after that describe the product. So it's what country it came from, what area it came from, what this product is, and what size it is. things that aren't going to change. So when you've got that box of cereal, the data that is not going to change, it came from that country, that's not going to change. It is this particular weight, that's not going to change. So that's what's on the barcode. The actual price is on a database, on some software. But that thing, you're quite right, it does scan the barcode. What else can you see on there? Any other input devices?
Over there, there's a, like right next to it, underneath the monitor,
Yep,
you can scan the barcode.
good. And it shows that barcode, so it has a hand scanner as well. Now, if we talk about this monitor, is that input or output?
Output?
Think.
No. So, it's the thing, what's it called? The storage.
No, the actual monitor. Is it input? Are you putting data in?
Input.
Or is it taking data out?
Input.
So you've now given both answers.
It's both of them. Okay.
Exactly right. Well done. Because it's input, because it's a touch screen. Yes?
It's also output.
Input. Good. And it's output because it's displaying
The price.
the data. So if we move on to the output devices, we've just identified that the monitor is an output device. What other output devices are there?
Over there, so it's right next to the monitor. It has like a thing, and it
Good.
takes out the receipt. It outputs the
Perfect.
receipt.
Yeah. So it's like a little mini printer, yes?
Yeah.
So it's printing out the receipt. Now, there's one more output device that isn't very obvious.
Oh, down there, like it has, like those
Yeah,
buttons.
but it's not very clear what it is. But look, it's to do with this.
Oh, here you can hear it. It's like the to know that
What do you hear?
like the beep, like a beep.
Excellent.
So
Excellent. You're exactly right. So some people don't think of that one; they forget it. But actually, there is a beep sound, isn't there? So you know when you scan the items and it goes beep.
yeah, so we know you got you scanned it, so you don't have to scan it again.
Exactly right. Good. Okay. So here's where I put the answers.
Touch screen, yeah. Receipt, instructions, product, to retailers. Yeah. Scale, yeah. Barcode, keypad, pin, selection. Yes.
Okay. Now, have you got you've got pencil and paper there, haven't you? Right, let's see if you can do this one. So on your paper, draw a table with 3 columns and 4 rows.
Okay.
Doesn't need to be neat.
Okay.
And then at the top of the first column, write the word input.
Okay. I'm almost done. Output.
Good. So input, output, and then storage.
Then let me add the 3.
Yeah. So if you remember, the hardware are all the physical components of the computer system, but they are broken down into input, output, and storage. So for each one of those, can you write the name and draw a little picture of 3 input devices, 3 output devices, and 3 storage devices. So if you, what do you think the first one is?
Input for one is a mouse.
No, describe the actual things that you can see. What is the first thing?
Like buttons, and it will go inside the computer.
The first picture, what is it?
Oh, it's a monitor.
Good. What's the second one?
A mouse.
Good. Third one?
A Blu-ray disc.
Good. Fourth one?
A keyboard.
Good. Fifth one?
A printer.
Good. Sixth?
Hardware. No, disc.
Yep. Next one?
A memory card.
Good. Next one?
A cam.
Yep, a webcam. And the last one?
Headphones.
Good. Excellent. So now, do the ones, write down the names of the ones that you think should go in each. So use half the space to write the word, and then do a little picture of it just so you know what it is. Which one are you going to start with?
Input keyboard.
Okay, keep going then. Which one are you on now?
I'm on the last one for input, but I can't find it.
Okay, so move on and do the others.
Okay, output.
Do the ones you know, and then you can fill in the ones at the end that you're a bit unsure of.
Storage. Oh, a camera is an input because
You tell me, what does it do?
it puts like the recording into the computer.
We've just said that word, into, yes.
Yeah. Then the memory card.